Hi there. In this video, we're going to have a look at how to use ODA elements in a process flow. In this example, we can see an order to payment process flow. To make use of the ODA elements in this process flow, we're going to use the Assign Data Elements feature. This is found by clicking on an element and opening the Properties panel. Then we'll click on this tab here, and we'll click the field under Add Data Element. This will bring up a search, and we're going to select our ODA data view, and we're going to select ODA CA and search for our desired element. Once we've found the element we wish to add, we'll click on it, and it'll automatically assign to the element. Once we've completed this, we can then move to other assigned items, and we can assign stakeholders or edit the currently assigned stakeholders and products and services. And once we have all of this completed and we're finished editing our process flow, we can make use of the export. We can then export the process flow to PDF, CSV, or Word. Thanks for watching.